I was watering them when I found out that one of my aloe vera is missing. Oh my goodness, how can it be missing? How can it? Suddenly it's not. Alright then, let's go replant some. Let's pick a pup from this. Okay, which one? What about you? Yeah, I'm gonna pick you up. Are you ready to be planted outside of your pot and start your new life? Come on, let's get started. I'm not changing the dirt is still the same. I probably only add it later. Okay. Nice. Let's put it back where it belongs. Where was it? Let's put it back. Okay, go home, baby. Go home. That's it.